Hi, Brent Elias here, and today's tip is what do you do if you get a sample from a factory and it's complete crap? Well, this is a very obvious problem, and if you don't know already, the reason why you get a sample is this tells you what the quality of the production is going to be like. So it's obvious if you get a bad sample, you're going to have crap quality production. If you have crap quality production, then when you go to sell it on Amazon or eBay or your own site, you're going to have unhappy customers, refunds, bad reviews, out of business. Okay, so what do we do when we get a bad sample? Well, it's pretty important that you absolutely nail this. So the first thing you do is you don't panic and you don't get angry and you don't get aggressive with the factory and say, you know, you gave me a bad sample, you've ripped me off. The first thing to do is ascertain whether it's a bad sample because the quality of the factory is crap or you didn't specify what you wanted. If you didn't specify what you wanted, then be clear with them about what you want so they can send you another sample exactly as you want. And if it is a bad quality sample, tell the factory that you needed something else. Instead of pink, you needed it in red. Instead of having something that doesn't turn on when you put the batteries in, something where the quality is higher. That's very, very important that you do that. And the other thing you do when you get a poor quality sample is you approach one, maybe two other suppliers who can stock the same product or can sell you the same product and get them to send you a sample as well. The very, very last thing I recommend that you do as well is that you make sure that you ask your supplier to package the goods properly and box them properly so they don't get damaged, as it might be a good quality product that gets damaged in transport. So that's it for today. If you like this tip, give me a thumbs up. And if you think of someone who could benefit from this tip, feel free to share with them. And as always, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I will see you shortly with another tip.